His is the Warmco 10,000 mAh portable travel fan, a compact 7-inch fan designed for personal cooling at home or on the go. It features a built-in 10,000 mAh rechargeable battery that can provide up to 24 hours of runtime depending on the speed setting. That makes it a great option for camping trips, cruise cabins, office desks, or even your bedroom at night. The ultra-thin design makes it easy to pack in a suitcase or backpack without taking up much space. It's also lightweight, so you can move it from room to room without any hassle. One feature I really like is the digital display, which shows useful information like battery level and settings, so you know exactly when it's time to recharge. The fan operates quietly, making it suitable for sleeping, working, or studying without distracting background noise. It's simple to use, with adjustable speed settings, so you can choose the airflow that feels most comfortable for you. If you're looking for a portable, rechargeable desk fan with long battery life and a slim design, the Warmco 7-inch travel fan is a practical choice for everyday use and travel.